ਸਮਾਗਮ 4 ਨਵੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਦੇ ਵੈਸਟਿਨ ਹੋਟਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਇਆ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਈ ਮਹਿਮਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ਿਰਕਤ ਕੀਤੀ। ਏਐਚਈ ਪਟਨਾਇਕ ਦਾ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ 'ਚ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਇੰਗੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ ਵਿਚਾਲੇ ਭਵਿੱਖੀ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ, ਕੂਟਨੀਤਿਕ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਅਤੇ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਸੰਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸਾਂਝੇ ਕੀਤੇ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ, ਆਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
Patnaik today, sir. Thank you so very much. I mean, we waited almost 10 months for someone to come and do the needful. So, we as Indo-Canadian community and larger Canadian community, we are very, very strongly connected to India. And we always feel very close, and any turbulence, as they call it, I'm still unable to understand what turbulence means actually, because nobody has been able to explain me what is actual turbulence. But whenever there is some sort of turbulence, it really affects all of us, and we really feel from our heart, and we are really happy that finally diplomatic relations are getting back on track, and you are here. So let's start, and my first question to you, I've been actually thinking about this for quite some time now, that as a seasoned diplomat, you've been to many countries, you've served in many countries. I want to understand, like currently, from diplomatic standpoint, when somebody is posted to Canada, is it anxiety, excitement, what it is like? We want to understand that.
Yeah. Thank you very much, but let me first say I'm really delighted to be here with all of you. I can see a very expectant crowd. And I have just one request. There's a possibility of my foreign minister coming here, but not on a bilateral visit, for a G7 meeting. And I don't want the media to cover anything, because I want to talk frankly to all of you today. So if there's any media covering it, please don't cover it right now, because then I'll be slightly circumspect. And
you covered most of the points, and very impressive, very informative, and thanks for all those. We noted those points. It's very informative. My question is Indian passport holders here in Canada. I'm into journalism. We covered so much of stories here, and crime is one of the biggest issue. And when we see visitor here in Canada having a Indian passport, student having an Indian passport, they commit crime here. That's not Canada's issue. Canada's issue is here, but our politicians or our lawmakers, they failed us. Not anything to Mr. Sabave, but politicians failed us. We have not deported them. Our jails are filled with them. Even Milton jail is 90% Indians are there. What on the India side? Do we have any kind of a mechanism to track biometric digitally? Because I remember that External Affairs Minister Jaishankar once said, crime happened anywhere in the world, we are ready to take them back, when President Trump sent 2 planes back there. So what is on the India side arrangement to track those criminals, because they are not criminals here, they are criminals back home also. In 10 years, you already mentioned, by the immigration, they entered this country. But when Canada-India relations in a right path, how can we track them? That is my first question. I'll have a follow-up on also this.
see, very clear. That is the first thing. You have to establish as an Indian. You just can't pick up anybody, because we've had cases in the past where Pakistanis, Bangladeshis.
Questions about higher education. I am a professor at the University of Guelph, which is called as the Food University of Canada.
Very good.
So we have strong relationship. We always had relationships with India because of the food agri connection. I'm also the director of the Canada-India Research Center at University of Guelph. So there is a very strong connection with India. Talking about higher education, so you did mention what can Canada do in terms of facilitating the movement and exchange of students from India. So if I'm not wrong, I recently heard this stats that there is about 40 million student population in India, which is almost the population of Canada.
And 40 million university students.
University
total students is
yes,
350.
University students, because my focus is higher education, so I always look at that number. So, of course, there are a lot of things that the Canadian system can do to facilitate that student exchange and not look at education from an immigration perspective, but really to get education. And that's something that Indians have always taken pride in, that go for the highest degrees and stuff. So this is really like insider information, because you have more interaction with the Indian population and perhaps student population. So what more can Canada do in terms of again, all these big universities, University of Guelph, they don't get any rejection. But what can we do to bring those talented individuals to Canada?
There's a very strong Indian community, बहुत strong Indian community है यहाँ पे, और मेरे को अच्छा लगा देख के कि ये सारे they are very strong about building up India-Canada relationship. इनसे काफ़ी चीज़ों पे बात की है. We've had some problems in the past, which are in the past, और अभी हमें नया future build करना है. एक relationship which brings together both democracies. We are the world's largest democracy by population. Canada is the world's largest democracy by size. तो हम दोनों कैसे काम कर सकते हैं? Already both our prime ministers have given us a direction. अभी हमें है कि community को और हाई कमीशन को मिलके we need to take it forward. And the Canada India Foundation is one of the ways in which we will take this relationship forward.
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਈਏ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਅਗਵਾਈ CIF ਦੇ ਚੇਅਰ ਰਿਤੇਸ਼ ਮਲਿਕ ਅਤੇ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਕਨਵੀਨਰ ਪੰਕਜ ਦਵੇ ਨੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ। ਰਿਸੈਪਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਮਕਸਦ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਅਤੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਚਮਕ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਜਾਵੇ। ਇਹ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਸਮਾਰੋਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਰੂਟੀਨ ਡਿਪਲੋਮੈਸੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ, ਸਗੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਸੰਕੇਤ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਅਤੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਨਵੇਂ ਦੌਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਾਖਲ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਨ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਇਸ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਇਆ, ਆਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
Canada India Foundation Chairman Ritesh Malik. Canada India Foundation is hosting High Commissioner of India to Canada, Honorable Dinesh Patnaik. Ritesh ji, great initiatives, and time to time Canada India Foundation keep on doing these good gestures for the community. What do you say?
Of course, this is our job. I mean, end of the day, all we want to make sure is Canada, India operate at the highest frequency. They have the best relationship possible, and we are very happy that High Commissioners at both places have been reinstated. Dinesh ji is here, and Mr. Kutre is there in Delhi. I'll be seeing him also next month. I'm traveling to India. But yes, this is a good sign, good reset for both countries, and we are seeing some positive developments. Past is past now.
Yes.
I think we are all ready to forget that, whatever happened. I mean, there's no point talking about it. There's no point why, what.
Yes.
And,
what happened in the past years?
Absolutely.
Yes.
So I think in larger interest of both countries, I mean, this is the only way. I mean, like we are looking, Canada, we are looking at alternative markets. And there cannot be a better market than India, particularly with the strong diaspora here in Canada. We need to leverage that diaspora and build an economic relationship which is not just promising, but it's also reliable and lasting. So,
do you find that the both side of the governments, Canada and India, now they have all those positive things going on after the NSA meetings, after the foreign secretaries meeting, after the Prime Minister Carney's approach to the India, and same vice versa from the other side?
I think both countries have shown that intent and sincerity. And with Prime Minister Modi coming to Canada, Carney inviting him, and also we are hearing that for AI Summit, India has invited Prime Minister Carney to go to India.
Yes.
We don't know whether it's going to happen, but what we hear is that bilateral visits on both sides will start soon. It's already happening. Anita ji was in India recently.
Yes.
And Maninder ji also spoke to Piyush Goyal ji.
Yes. And Jaishankar is coming to Niagara region.
Niagara region on, I believe, 12th.
Yes, on 11th, 12th of
11th,
November.
12th, yeah.
Yes.
So
it's a positive sign.
Very positive. I think very positive. They both realize they both need each other, and there is no way but to work together.
Okay, being a chair of the Canada India Foundation, what is the vision, what is the motto of this organization?
as I said to you before, our motto is simple. I mean, end of the day, we want Canada and India to work at the highest frequency, work at the best possible relationship, whether it's culturally, socially, economically, in whatever way, people to people ties. And that is what we strive for. That is what we work for. You know, it's an organization run by volunteers. And, everybody is pretty passionate. They're all good, successful people. They just want to see that their motherland and their homeland work in the best possible manner, and this is what we operate on daily basis.
Okay, great word, and we wish you all the best for keep doing the good job.
Thank you, Nitinji. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Satish Thakkar, immediate past chair of Canada India Foundation, and today Canada India Foundation hosted a welcome reception for our new High Commissioner Dinesh Patnaik ji, and it was a lovely conversation, and I think it gives us a very happy feeling that relations are kind of getting normalized, and we saw a lot of turbulence in last few years, and I think the relationship under the current leadership of Prime Minister Carney, we are seeing kind of a reigniting this relationship in a very positive direction, and we always have advocated that Canada and India, they are both natural allies, natural partners, and we have not even touched the tip of the iceberg, the kind of economic potential between both countries we have, and with current issue or situation we are going through with the US, I think India is a market we cannot ignore. Rather, we should rely heavily on. And in terms of Canada, what Canada has, India need, and what India has, Canada need. And we all need to work together that how we can make more Canada prosperous, and how we can work to make both democracies working together. And that's the motto of Canada India Foundation.
सबसे पहले तो on behalf of Canada India Foundation, मैं संजय मक्कर, नेशनल को-कन्वीनर, सबका वेलकम करना चाहूँगा. I think it's a very proud moment that, or I would say more of a start of a journey back again, जो हमारे नए हाई कमिश्नर जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया यहाँ पे, और कैनेडा इंडिया फाउंडेशन को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली टू होस्ट एंड इंट्रोड्यूस देम टू वन ऑफ द बिजनेस कम्युनिटी, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स इंडो कैनेडियंस. सो आई थिंक ये एक बहुत अच्छा मौका है वापस उन रिश्तों को जोड़ने का, उन रिश्तों को और स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाने का, एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली द टाइमिंग के हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए तो इस वक्त जो इकॉनमी की डिमांड है, तो इंडिया जो वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट इकॉनमी है, अब हम उससे अलग नहीं रह सकते. जो हमारी एक तरह से रिलायबिलिटी, डिपेंडेबिलिटी जो हमारी नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर्स थी, इट्स नॉट देयर एनी मोर. इट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज बी सेल्फ सफिशिएंट विद ऑल द अदर कंट्रीज. सो आई थिंक हाई कमिश्नर का विजिट एक बहुत ही अच्छा आई वुड से स्टेप है, एक स्टार्ट है, एक लाइट है फॉर अ बेटर इकॉनमी फॉर कैनेडियंस, फॉर बेटर इकॉनमी फॉर इंडो कैनेडियंस, एंड बेटर इकॉनमी फॉर बोथ द कंट्रीज.
मेरे दोस्त, first and foremost, let me introduce myself. My name is Anil Shah. I'm one of the founding members of Canada India Foundation. What we are today here and what we are saying today is a history in making. The reason why I say it's a history in making, after an interval of almost 2 years, we have the new High Commissioner of India in Canada, who has returned with all his valor, all the glamour, to bring back and build a bridge between Canada and India. Talking about him is one thing, but talking about Canada India Foundation, we are the bridge builder. We have done our constructions, we have done our work, and I hope this new High Commissioner brings glory to the relationship of India and Canada. Have a good one.
First of all, I would like to welcome everyone who is here. This is a Canada India Foundation always takes this initiative to recognize the both countries' bilateral relation and trade, and this is a very big step towards that. having High Commissioner welcomed by Canada, it's a big restart of Canada-India relation, and CIF acknowledged that, and in that capacity we are hosting this event and looking forward to a very insightful meeting today.
Namaste everyone. Basically, Canada is our Karma Bhumi and India is our Matru Bhumi. Canadian High Commissioner is a representative of India in Canada, and here we expect that Canada and India both have a wonderful relationship in very near future, and we are the person who are representing India at large as an ambassador of India in Canada, I would say. At least a friendly relationship will be created very soon because of our endeavors in public welfare. Thank you.
Adding to him, Canada and India has a very good people-to-people relation. And when people-to-people relation is strong, we are looking forward to even bilateral trades and trades to go stronger as well. So placing High Commissioner of India in Canada and High Commissioner of Canada in India is a very good momentum has been picked up, and we are looking forward to a lot of great relationship coming forward which will fruitful both the countries.
I'm very excited to be a part of this. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं कैनेडा इंडियन फाउंडेशन के साथ आज हाई कमिश्नर की डिनर में पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. All the initiatives, we really want to appreciate that, and I feel that this is something which was very important, and the relationship between India and Canada, and welcoming him, I'm very, very happy about it to be a part of it. Well, having a new generation learn more about India, having an event like this where everybody mingles, all Indians, and talking about the growth. So more meeting people, valuing, and of course, you have to be meeting them and talking about the things.
क्या आप कनाडा एंड अमेरिका में हैं और आप अपना डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट भी करवाना चाहते हैं एंड यू आर आल्सो प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप टू इंडिया, सो वी हैव वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंड द टॉप मोस्ट डेंटल क्लिनिक सिचुएटेड इन द हार्ट ऑफ चंडीगढ़ एंड मोहाली, जहां हम ये सारे प्रोसीजर्स पेनलेस तरीके से तो करते ही हैं, रादर वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट कि शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम में भी खत्म हो जाए, जिसके लिए हम हाई एंड टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करते हैं, चाहे वो डेंटल इम्प्लांट्स हो, स्माइल मेकओवर हो या इनविजिबल ब्रेसेस हो. वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू फिनिश योर केस इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे.